the Gary Abbott budget watch channel, and I have a really kind of surprising watch here that I got for under $30 on AliExpress. It's got a date complication. It's an automatic. Now, be careful here. It is only 3 bars or 30-meter water resistance. Hardlex dial, not a sapphire. Hardlex. It is, case thickness is 22. But in this kind of green and textured dial, it really looks pretty good. It really has this appeal with the green dial. It just all works. I could not believe I picked this up for less than $30. An automatic movement. How do they make any money on a watch like this? With the day-date window. Let me run you through some other. I mean, this is leather. This is a green leather. They even put their name, Ochstin, I believe is how you say this watch, on AliExpress. I will put some links and stuff in the description below. You know, right now on AliExpress, you can pick up this watch for $25.45. And I'm going to tell you, it is an excellent buy if you want an automatic movement. Now, it's not an NH35 or another type of movement, but oh my God, it's just the price. You've got to, let's take a look at it on the wrist. When you look at this on the wrist, it really is a nice watch. It's got a very nice appeal to it. Most people would not guess that this watch costs so little. And it's an automatic. You know what? After I got this, I would not remove it from my collection. It's the only one that I've got that looks like this. And I think it just works. The case thickness of 12, it is a little, it's a little up compared to some of the really low, but they got to make room for, I believe, the automatic to see it. And so if you're interested in the model number, it's GA62028. And I'll put that on the screen as well. But stainless steel, leather band, and it fits really good on my large wrist. For me, it's a keeper. It's a no-brainer if you're into watch collecting and you don't mind inexpensive watches that just have that unique style to it. Hey, like and subscribe if you like these videos. I really do like this watch. I know I like most of my collection, that's why I bought them. But this one did not disappoint. This one does not disappoint. Thanks for watching.